Welcome to Hatho. I'm Rotili. Today I will demonstrate how to use the Hatho 3D MaxiPol Set. This set contains the tools for the 3-stage polishing procedure: pre-polish, shine polish and high shine polish. We recommend this set for the new 3D printed or conventional dental resins. After removal from the printer and printing aids, the 3D resin denture is ready for pre-polish using the Hatho 3D MaxiPol Set. The printed splint is ready for pre-polish when the stabilizers are removed and the remains are grinded down.
For the pre-polish, we employed the new Polybuff 4218. Its double-coated abrasive woven material allows, in combination with our linty grey polishing compound, which is also provided, to achieve a fast and effective pre-polish of the resin surfaces. To avoid overheating, we recommend a speed of no more than 1400 RPM.
Now we see the evenly pre-polished surface, well prepared for our next step, the shine polish.
The microfiber leather buff 520-107 and the polystar beige compound made perfectly to create a professional shine polish. Also, the microfiber adapts very well to the resin surface. The frictional heat produced at 2800 RPM will melt the polystar beige polishing compound and release its core ingredients, allowing the polystar beige polish to work at its full capacity. The high quality carnauba wax will now be evenly distributed on the resin surfaces.
Now we see the evenly pre-polished surface. The shine becomes well apparent on the surface. At this stage, the denture or the splint are ready and well prepared for the final high shine polish. When changing to a different polish, it is absolutely essential to thoroughly clean the workpiece in an ultrasonic bath or by steam in order to get rid of all remains of the previous polishing stage. No sufficient high shine will be achieved unless the workpiece is absolutely clean. For the same reason, polishing brushes and buffs must always be stored separately.
For the high shine polish, the final finish, we employ our reliable polystar emulsion and the fine cotton buff 15280 BW. The flexible fibers of this buff will be able to reach almost all surface areas of the workpiece. Again, a speed of 1400 RPM should not be exceeded, as the 3D resin is not heat-proof. Only a small amount of the polystar emulsion is applied to the denture surface in order to complete the procedure of high shine polish.
The result is convincing. Dental resin processed in this way, no matter if dentures, splints or a drilling template, will hardly ever be affected by dirt or plaque. In the shortest of time, a high shine and evenly smooth surface has been created. For further technical questions, feel free to send me an email at rotili@hatho.de. See you next time, your Rotili.